Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another hotel room tour. This time we are at the Days Inn in Maryland Heights, Missouri. So, let me show you a look around this room and see what it's like. Let's go over and start at the door. Okay, so here's right where you walk in. Complete with a thing you can put over the door to let people know you're asleep. And it says, "Lights out!" Oh. Let me know if you get that reference. If you do, you're awesome. Anyway, immediately to my right of that is the vanity. Pretty standard stuff, the towels. See what they give you here. Hydrating lotion. Shampoo and conditioner, soap, a mirror, tissues, your favorite traveling content creator. Across from that is a closet that has a mirror door. Open it up. Looks like someone broke the hangers. They must have been very mad at them. But anyway, there's a safe and an ironing board and an iron. That could have been put away a little better, but whatever. Yeah, actually, it's not even in the ironing holder. Not too worried about that. Into the bathroom. Toilet paper, an extra roll there. Looks like the wallpaper has seen better days there. But once again, is it cosmetic? Is it cosmetically pleasing? No, but I can live with that. On to the shower. Controls for the shower. 2 soap racks. The shower head, all the standard stuff. On to the main part of the hotel. Nice big dresser. Complete with coffee maker and coffee cups and all that usual stuff. Ice bucket and ice. A refrigerator and a microwave, which is always nice to have. Looks pretty good inside too. Microwave. Nice TV there. On to the work desk. Yep, plenty of space here. There's like a desk that goes under the desk. So there's like 2 levels of it. A mirror for the work desk. A lamp with an outlet. Kind of a retro themed lamp. Oh. The air conditioning unit, which is definitely working fine. I will tell you that right now. It's on, as you can probably hear. Nightstand to the right. A couch. Oh. The view. Let's take a look out there. pretty nice view of the outside social part of the hotel, which, by the way, you can actually go out there, but not from this door. It doesn't open, I don't think. Does it? Hold on. Maybe it does. Oh, it does open. Yeah, you can actually go out here. That's actually a nice touch if you want to step outside and get some fresh air onto your little balcony, I guess is what you'd call it. Onto the other side of the bed. Another nightstand, another lamp, and the bed, which, by the way, I already laid on. Give it a nice jump on. Yep, nice and comfy on here. And the reason I'm staying at this hotel is because there's a convention not even a mile away from it. So it's a very convenient location for that, and a lot cheaper than the main hotel. At a distance that's still quite comfortably walkable. And yeah, not a bad budget hotel at all. So once again, this is Days Inn. This is Days Inn in Maryland Heights, Missouri. Thank you for watching this hotel room tour. Stay tuned for plenty more of hotel room and travel videos from your favorite traveling channel, the Cool Concert channel. That is all. See you in the next one. And stay tuned for videos of KakuraCon, which I will be at tomorrow, hence why I'm here today. Rock on.